Hello angels, welcome to my channel. Do you also want to paint, but confused about what materials to use? As a beginner, I also struggled a lot to find best products that are affordable. Here are some products that you can use as a beginner. Poster colors are easier to blend than acrylic colors and are very beginner friendly. But still, if you prefer acrylic colors, you can try Camel Artist Acrylic Colors. If you want more affordable version of acrylic color, then you can use Fabrica or Fevicryl. You can buy local brushes to start. Flower palette are easily available in any local store and are very beginner friendly. But if you are looking for palette to store color for longer time, then folding palette is best for you. I usually use flat wooden palette as it is easy to mix colors in flat surface. You can use washi tapes or paper tapes to provide protective border in case spillover of colors. And now the most important thing is surface for painting. You can use any sketchbook you find in stationery shops nearby. You can also use canvas board. It is easy to blend colors in canvas board. You can also use paper sheets. The paper I use is ivory paper of 250 GSM. Ivory sheets do not tear easily and have proper thickness. If you paint in paper, make sure you buy clear book presentation file to protect your paintings. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.